Remember this hunk of shit I've been posting about? This 2008 Amana Dehumidifier? Well, it's still alive, and unfortunately it's still alive. Still pretty much kicking. But, my folks, me especially, my whole family, we just had enough of this dehumidifier. Because it's been a piece of shit since day one. And we've especially had enough of this one I'm about to show you. Yep, there you go. We've had enough of this. You see how big of a piece of shit this thing is? Trying to get the bucket back in. Yeah, that's a pain in the ass. And so we just bought another dehumidifier. This is our brand new Friedrich dehumidifier. My folks does not want a vintage dehumidifier. They still believe in the energy efficiency standards. So this might be the best that you can get today is Friedrich. So far, this thing is blowing unnecessarily a huge amount of air, and it's hot. Feel that? You hear that? That's totally unnecessary. And interestingly, the intake is in the front of it, not the back. What you see here, this is an automatic drain. Drains to our slop sink. By the way, I'm waiting for this hunk of shit to die so we can get a Speed Queen set. Anyway. Yeah, this thing's pretty quiet at least. You see, this is a model D70BPA. It's a 70 pint. Anyway, yep. 60 hertz, 115 volts. Energy factor 10.9 ounces of R410A. Oh, amps. 7.5 amps. So, this is the best you're gonna get. I can't see if it's where it's made in. Energy Star, duh. So, I'll look in the box. Yeah, there's the front of the Friedrich. Here's the box. With built-in drain pump. Let's see, where are you made in? Not bad. But I'm still not, as you can tell, I'm not too thrilled about this dehumidifier, because I prefer a vintage one, and any time. Oh, why don't I pause you, see if I can find. Dun, dun, dun. I just knew this would happen. Unfortunately, even though this might be the best you can get, it is made in China. Well, so far so good. I need to check the reviews on this model and see how long this thing will last. I doubt this will last above 6 years. Well, this is our new Friedrich dehumidifier. Thank you for watching.